Operative Kisan Credit Card amount crosses 10 lakh crore rupees benefiting 7.72 crore farmers. The amount under Operative Kisan Credit Card accounts has more than doubled from 4.26 lakh crore rupees in March 2014 to 10.05 lakh crore rupees in December 2024. This indicates a significant increase in quantum of affordable working capital loans provided to the farmers for agriculture and allied activities. In 2019, the KCC scheme was extended to cover the working capital requirements of allied activities like animal husbandry, dairying and fisheries. Government of India under modified interest subvention scheme provides interest subvention of 1.5% to banks for providing short-term agri loans through KCC up to 3 lakh rupees at concessional rate interest rate of 7% per annum. An additional prompt repayment incentive of 3% is provided to farmers on timely repayment of loans, which effectively reduces the rate of interest to 4% for farmers. Loans up to 2 lakh rupees are extended on a collateral-free basis, ensuring hassle-free access to credit for small and marginal farmers.